Today marks a very important step as we release the Mental Health Review Report, which is the product of our comprehensive review of Alberta's mental health care system.
Addiction and mental illness will essentially impact all of us, either directly or through a loved one. So as our first immediate action, we will be adding mental detox beds for adults, including 6 to 8 new beds in Lethbridge, and 20 beds upgraded from social to medical detox in Red Deer. We'll work with Alberta Health Services to open 3 more social detoxification beds for children and youth in Calgary, amounting to a 50% increase in beds for the city.
One of the ironies of mental health care is that people who are least able to navigate this system of professionals and organizations are often the ones forced to do their own navigation.
Obviously, I wish oil was at $100 a barrel and not hovering around 30, but this is one of the reasons why I'm looking at my current budget very carefully and trying to find ways that I might be able to move some resources around, because we can't afford not to. We need to find ways to continue to improve and invest in mental health and addictions, because we're talking about people's lives.
Well, after a couple of decades in medical practice and a decade in politics, I'm very concerned about any reports and what happens to them after they get tabled. And I am somewhat buoyed by a premier that made this a priority, a health minister that is making this a priority, and apart from the lack of resources that they have to work with, I think I see a real commitment here to actual change.
Everybody at this camera? Okay.